We're all desperate to spend our days flying, hiking, and staring at scenic beauty. From burying your nose deep in your wallets and finding spare change, we've all had to bid goodbye to Maldives. Now, what if I told you traveling for free is easier in this day and age than ever before? The best ways to travel the world for free have been hiding in plain sight. So, friends, grab a pen and start taking notes. Multiple job opportunities. Looking to travel the world for free? I know of exciting job opportunities that can provide you with free travel experiences. As an au pair, you'll live with a host family, taking care of their children and assisting with basic housekeeping. In return, you'll receive free accommodation, meals, and a small salary. It's a fantastic way to immerse yourself in a new culture and even learn a new language. Check out this post for more details on being an au pair. Or if you have bartending skills, you can easily find work overseas. Alternatively, you can consider starting as a dishwasher or busser in the industry. Bartending jobs can sometimes be obtained under the table if you choose that route. Now, if you're a certified diver, you can find work as a dive instructor in breathtaking tropical locations around the globe. It's a fantastic way to combine your passion for diving with travel. If you have a knack for history and enjoy public speaking, working as a tour guide is a perfect fit. Typically, tour guides receive cash tips directly, adding to the appeal of this job. While a more formal position, working on a cruise ship offers incredible travel opportunities. The hours may be long, but living at sea can be a unique and rewarding experience. Try your luck as a casino worker. This job may require some training, but if you're comfortable with the casino scene and enjoy working during the night, it can be a fun job abroad. Ski resorts require various staff members, including instructors, restaurant and hotel staff, and lifeguards. If you don't mind the snow, this can be a goldmine for international travelers. Although the hours can be demanding, working on yachts for affluent individuals can provide excellent earning opportunities and take you to some incredible destinations. If you're a certified yoga instructor, teaching yoga abroad can help you earn money while traveling. While knowing the local language may be helpful, yoga studios exist in almost every city worldwide. These jobs offer unique ways to travel the world, gain cultural experiences, and sometimes even make money. Just remember to research visa requirements and any necessary certifications or training before pursuing these opportunities. And don't worry, if none of these make sense to you, I have more ways you can cash in on your hobbies. Love for animals and traveling. If you have a deep love for animals and crave a break from your daily routine, I have a great suggestion for you. Feel free to explore opportunities on websites like Animal Ants. It can open up a world of exciting possibilities. These platforms connect animal owners with dedicated individuals like yourself who are willing to lend a helping hand in caring for their beloved pets. As an animal lover, you may have dreamed of exploring different regions of your country or even venturing abroad to experience the diverse fauna and landscapes of the world. By offering your time and assistance, you can gain access to these desired locations at little to no cost. If you are an avid horse rider, you might find yourself tending to horses in picturesque rural areas, surrounded by rolling hills and scenic trails. For those who enjoy the rustic charm of farms, you may have the chance to immerse yourself in the daily routines of farm animals, such as feeding and milking cows, herding sheep, or even collecting fresh eggs from chickens. Or, if you have a soft spot for house pets, this type of service allows you to care for adorable cats, dogs, rabbits, or other domestic animals in the comfort of someone else's home. You'll not only experience the companionship and joy these animals bring, but also have the opportunity to explore new neighborhoods, cities, or even countries as you move from one pet-sitting assignment to another. By sacrificing some of your time and energy to care for these animals, you can embark on a rewarding journey that combines your passion for animal welfare with the thrill of travel. And I have more tricks for you to tap into your selfless nature and travel for fun. Philanthropy and travel. Companies like Diverbo provide a unique opportunity for travel enthusiasts who are willing to volunteer. While each company offering these types of trips may have slight variations in their programs, they all share a common ethos. Trust me, the concept is simple. By volunteering your time and skills during a specific period, you earn the privilege of enjoying a holiday in a captivating location. This arrangement is particularly appealing if you have limited funds but still desire to experience new places and cultures. The specifics of these volunteer travel programs may differ based on the company you choose. Some programs focus on language immersion, where you volunteer to converse with locals and help them practice their language skills. Others may involve community service initiatives, such as environmental conservation, construction projects, or assisting local organizations. Regardless of the specific volunteer work involved, the underlying principle remains the same: dedicating your free time to making a positive impact in exchange for the opportunity to explore and discover new destinations. It's a fantastic way to satisfy your travel cravings while also contributing to meaningful causes and building connections with local communities. I think it's incredible that these volunteer-based travel opportunities not only allow you to see new places, but also offer a chance to immerse yourself in the local culture, learn from the people you meet, and gain a deeper understanding of the destination. It's a win-win situation where you can make a difference while satisfying your wanderlusts. Speaking of win-win conditions, there's a way you can multiply the benefits coming your way. Double up your rewards. If you're looking for a nifty way to travel for free, I bet you can take advantage of your own spending from the comfort of your home. By utilizing loyalty programs, cashback websites, and credit or debit cards, you can turn your everyday purchases into opportunities for free travel. Start by exploring loyalty schemes offered by your bank accounts and favorite stores. These programs often provide points or rewards based on your spending habits. By consistently building up these loyalty points, you'll eventually have a valuable stash that can be redeemed for various travel-related benefits. Consider obtaining a credit or debit card that offers points or rewards for every purchase you make. With these cards, every time you spend money, you'll be earning points that can be accumulated and later redeemed for flights, accommodations, restaurant vouchers, and even unique experiences. It's like making your spending work for you. Oh, I have another idea. Cashback websites are another excellent tool to leverage. These platforms partner with retailers and offer you a percentage of your spending back as cash or rewards. By utilizing cashback websites for your online shopping or specific purchases, you can accumulate funds that can be used towards your travel expenses. While this approach may not provide entirely free travel, it's a clever way to maximize the value of your spending and earn rewards that can significantly offset the cost of your trips. Over time, with careful saving and strategic use of loyalty points and rewards, you'll have various options on how to redeem them for flights, accommodations, dining experiences, and more. Remember, this method requires some planning and discipline, as it may take time to accumulate enough points or rewards for significant travel benefits. However, it's a clever and indirect way to gain free travel by making the most of your existing spending habits. So consider tapping into loyalty programs, cashback websites, and credit or debit cards that offer rewards. By doing so, you can turn your regular spending into a powerful tool for earning travel benefits and enjoying exciting experiences without spending additional money out of pocket. Travel vlogging through the world. Travel vloggers, I'm calling out to you. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of travel blogging, where not only can you share your awe-inspiring adventures with the world, but you can also unlock incredible opportunities for free travel through sponsorships and collaborations with companies. The road is long, but you'll have the chance of crafting captivating content and showcasing breathtaking destinations. As your travel blog gains momentum and your social media following skyrockets, you become a force to be reckoned with in the travel sphere. The best part? Brands, tourism boards, and other like-minded entities can't resist your magnetic influence and are eager to join forces with you. Imagine being whisked away on an all-expenses-paid trip, courtesy of a tourism board, to showcase their captivating destination through your blog and social media channels. Picture yourself enjoying complimentary flights, luxurious accommodations, mouth-watering meals, and exclusive experiences, all while capturing every moment to share with your audience. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it can become your reality. Not only that, but hotels, resorts, airlines, and travel-related companies are lining up to partner with you. They're ready to offer you complimentary or heavily discounted stays, flights, or services in exchange for being featured in your captivating content. From writing glowing reviews to creating captivating videos and sharing jaw-dropping social media posts, you'll be showcasing the unforgettable experiences you have with these incredible partners. The world of collaborations doesn't stop at travel-related companies. Imagine outdoor gear brands clamoring to sponsor your thrilling adventures, enabling you to showcase their top-notch products in your content. Picture clothing brands, photography equipment manufacturers, and even food and beverage companies vying for exposure through your incredible travel experiences. It's a win-win situation that combines your passion for exploration with the opportunity to collaborate with renowned brands. Now, there is a catch. To attract these mind-blowing sponsorship and collaboration opportunities, it's vital to create high-quality, engaging content that captivates your audience and leaves them yearning for more. Showcasing your unique perspective, authenticity, and consistency will make your blog and social media channels irresistible to potential partners who can't wait to work with you. So are you already planning your 365 days around the Earth? Comment below and tell us what route you'll be taking to unlock your next adventure.